Today we have 5 new VR game demos that you're going to want to check out. Now a lot of these are shooters because, well, that's what I find interesting, but these are all made by independent devs, and I really like supporting these devs, especially because they are the backbone of the community. Community created content really does make a platform what it is. So I recommend if you find any of these interesting, make sure you leave a comment down below and go try them and let me know your experience. And of course, let's hop in and see what I have to show you. First is a game called Security Control. I actually found this one quite interesting. It's your first day out at a new job and you accidentally fall asleep. Now you're in a high stakes game where you must avoid getting caught by a security officer chasing you around. This game has 1 to 4 player co-op and PvP escape room game challenges that you can use stealth strategy and quick thinking to hopefully get in and out of. You'll need to hide, run, and complete various objects and even steal money while you're trying to make escape before you get caught and fired. It's a game that combines intense stealth with cooperation and competition elements, making every moment full of fun and suspense. So do you think you can escape security? Well, let me know. The second is Task Force 9. Now this one I actually kind of enjoyed. I did play a little bit of it. This game requires you to set up clever ambushes, distract guards, gather vital intel, and work as a cohesive team to tackle a variety of challenges. Simply relying on your shooting skills won't cut it here. You'll need to plan and adapt to outsmart your foes. The complexity of the game ensures that every mission requires careful thought and tactical execution. Seemed really fun and I can't wait to play it. And if you'd like to see me stream any of these, let me know. I'm kind of thinking about picking up streaming, but let me know your thoughts down below. The third is Void Ninja. This is a game that actually reminds me of a game I made back when I was in school. This action platformer features gesture-based controls that let you run, glide, and dive and hook through a series of randomly generated levels. The game stands out with dynamic movement system that allows you to slice through enemies and navigate through environments. You can even design your own challenges, adding a personal touch to your gameplay experience. With its engaging mechanism and exciting action sequences, Void Ninja offers a fresh and hopefully relaxing game to kind of play and burn some time. And fourth is Ragger. In this melee combat rhythm game, yes, you heard that right, you battle against hordes of robots in an arena. The game combines hard-hitting music with intense combat where you'll choose from an array of weapons like swords, mallets, claws, and hammers. Timing your attacks, blocks, and dodges to the rhythm of the music is critical for maximizing impact and survival. The immersed audio-visual experience features stunning visuals and spatial audio, ensuring that you're right in the heart of the action. If you're a fan of rhythm games and melee combat, Ragger might be your cup of tea. And finally, the fifth one is one I actually kind of look forward to, and I hope that they continue developing it because it seemed pretty interesting. It's called Hit Contracts. Step in the shoes of a top assassins in Hit Contract. This game leverages cutting-edge physics to improve realistic and immersive experiences. You can choose between melee combat or ranged attacks, using a variety of weapons including bows, knives, guns, and more. The game features active ragdoll AI, which allows you to interact with characters in a lifelike manner, whether you're punching, shooting, or grabbing. It's a chance to prove you have what it takes to become an ultimate assassin in a world full of danger and intrigue. These free games offer a variety of experiences, and I recommend if you're into any of these games, go try them out, help support those developers, and like I said before, let me know what you think about these down in the comments and if you've tried any. And of course, I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.